Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic technology, we are going to be learning about drive mechanism. Okay? Our topic for today in basic technology is on drive mechanism. Are you ready for the lesson? You are. That is good. A drive mechanism is a system in machines and devices that helps transmit power or motion from one part to another. It's like the engine of a machine that makes things move. Okay? Do we understand? A drive mechanism is a system that transmits motion and power from one part of a machine to another. Okay? Do we get that? We do, right? Good. A drive mechanism is like the engine of a machine. It's what makes things go. Okay? You can think of it as the push that makes all the parts move and work together. Like the engine in a car that makes it go forward. It's what gives power to machines and devices so they can do what they are supposed to do. Okay? We are going to be looking at some components related to drive mechanisms and how they work. Okay? Gear and gearing. Gears are like special wheels with teeth that fit together. When you turn one gear, it makes another gear turn too. It's a bit like gears on a bicycle. When you pedal, the gears make the bike go faster or slower. Gearing is like choosing the right combination of gears to control how fast something spins or how much strength it has. Gears are used in lots of machines to make them work smoothly and in the right way. Okay? Gears are components used within a drive mechanism. They are not separate type of drive mechanism, but a part of it. Gearing is referred to how gears are used to control motion and power. Okay? Do we understand that? Gear help control how fast or strong something moves, while gearing is like choosing the right gear to control the speed and power in machines. Let's look at the uses of gear. Uses of gear. Vehicles. Gears in a car transmission help control speed and power. Machinery. Gears are used in machines like lathes and milling machines. Clocks and watches. Gears control the movement of clock hands. Bicycles. Gears on a bicycle help in pedaling efficiently. Wind-up toys. Gears can be found in wind-up toys to make them move. Okay, so this describes where gears are used. Gears are used in many machines to do important jobs like making cars go, clocks ticks. So gears are the secret behind how machines can move smoothly and at the right speed. Do we understand that? Good. Gear speed and ratio. Gear speed and ratio are principles related to gears and how they affect the speed and power of a machine. Okay? Do we understand? Gear speed and ratio are like choosing the right gears for your bike. If you pick big gears, you can go faster, but it's harder to pedal. Small gears make pedaling easier, but don't go as fast. It's like deciding how fast or strong you want something to be by selecting the right gears. Gears help us control speed and power in machines and vehicles. Okay, do we understand that? Imagine gears as the buttons on a remote control of a toy car. You press the big button to make it go super fast, but it doesn't go very far. The small button makes it go slower, but very far. That's what gear speed and ratio are. Picking the right button to make things go the way you want, either fast or far, in machines and vehicles, okay? Good. Next, cabin drive. Cabin drive systems often use gears to control the movement of elevators and other lifting devices within a building. These gears ensure a smooth and controlled ascent or descent of the cabin. Cabin drive is a type of drive mechanism specifically used in elevators to move the cabin up and down. Okay, so cabin drive is like the magical system that moves the elevator up and down in a building. It's what takes you from one floor to another. Do we understand? Cabin drive uses special mechanisms like cables and pulleys to make sure you get to the right floor safely and smoothly. It's what makes elevators work. Okay? Do we understand? Good. Belts and pulleys. Belts and pulleys are like a teamwork of bands and wheels. They transfer power and make things move using belts and wheels. Okay? Belts and pulleys are components used within drive mechanisms. They are the part of the system that transfers power in machines and devices. The belt is a long, flexible band, and the pulley is a wheel. When you wrap the belt around the pulley and turn the pulley, the belt moves. It's like when you pull a rope over a wheel to lift something. Okay? So belts and pulleys help us transfer power from one place to another and are used on machines and systems like some types of engines and elevators. They make things go round and round or up and down by working together. Do we understand that? It's similar to how a bicycle chain works. Okay? Good. So today's lesson on drive mechanism, we understood it, right? We said the drive mechanism is the system that powers the machines and makes them work. It's like the art of a machine giving energy to all parts so they can function together, right? Then we looked at gear and gearing. Gears are components used within a drive mechanism, right? Gearing refers to how gears are used to control motion and power. We said that, right? Gears are like the special wheels with teeth to control how fast or strong something moves. And gearing is about choosing the right gear to control the motion in machines. We looked at the uses of gear. Gears are used in many things, like cars and clocks, to make them move smoothly and the right speed. We said that. Okay. Then we looked at gear speed and ratio. Gears help us pick how fast or strong something should be, like choosing the right gear on a bicycle. We looked at carbon drive. Carbon drive is what powers elevators, helping them go up and down in building using special systems. Then we looked at belts and pulleys. Belts and pulleys work together like a team of bands and wheels to transfer power and make things move in machines. Right? We said all this. Okay, so we understood today's lesson on drive mechanism. Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, good.